Maximizing the value in each piece of lumber. That is VAB Machine's goal. Discover OptiTrim, an innovative technology designed to optimize the operating performance of sawmills and planer mills. As of today, the world's most compact trimming system. 3-in-1 format is used for and efficient lumber handling on a mobile buggy, which is capable of moving transversely. A very precise lumber positioning in front of saw blades, regardless of the extremity or the trimming result needed. This VAB Machine's unique technology allows you to select unlimited final sizes. An optimal trimming based on a solution submitted by the linear optimizer. With the OptiTrim 16 version, you'll be able to easily select the cut-in-two option in only one step and without adding extra length on the production line. What is OptiTrim's goal? To improve your productivity with a compact, flexible, simple, and valuable processing technology. With OptiTrim, you have the opportunity to increase space capacity on the production line. This space saving allows you to install, for instance, additional bins in order to produce more products. Within the same schedule production, you'll be able to cut all lumber lengths you need. No physical saw blade configuration is required. Let the optimizer work to its full capacity. Integrating this technology to an existing sawing or planer line is easier and faster if you compare it to what is available on the market. Having its own independent control system, OptiTrim is fully autonomous. It also guarantees simple, quick, secure maintenance tasks because it is easy to access the components. In a fraction of time, the OptiTrim generates more value with the same lumber, giving you the opportunity to select any trimming final size, which may vary, and to ensure optimum yield from the trim blocks in order to collect the fibers. Besides being the most efficient technology available on the market, it is in a league of its own when it comes to high precision cutting and quality. VAB also offers the most effective and advanced linear and contactless optimizer in the industry. Performing with a linear curved reading solution connected to an airboard tracker, a unique system that ensures monitoring and control of the lumber handling process, this full grader optimizer is renowned for its ingenuity and excellent readability. It is the perfect ally for OptiTrim, offering an even faster ROI. VAB Machines team provides you anytime online support with a control system that remains accessible via a dedicated network link. Maximize your profitability.